Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how you can make money listening to audio record. Yes, these days with your mobile phone or your laptop, you can listen to audio record and you make good amount of money for yourself. Now there are different companies that offer transcription services online. Now what happens is that so many people have your interview, some people have maybe meeting discussions and different audios. They want these companies to transcribe these audios into what typing. Now the truth is, you will make good money if you are a fast typer, but don't worry, even though you are a slow typer, you can still make good amount of money, because for every 1 minute you listen to audio record and you transcribe this audio record, you get paid up to $1. Okay, you get paid up to $1. Now what happens is that this company charges about $1.50. You can see there they charge about $1.50 per minute, okay, from different people around the world that seek for the services. Then they look for transcribers, okay? They look for people like you to come in, register with them for free of charge. Definitely it's free of charge. Registration is free. Then you listen to audio record, listen to some of this record, then start transcribing these audios into writing. Now for every 1 minute that you listen and you transcribe, you get paid up to $1, which means for every 60 minutes, which is 1 hour, you get paid up to $60. So even if you're a slow typer, at least you can still make up to $20 or $30 per hour. Now imagine working as a full-time with these jobs. Imagine working for 5 hours per day, even though if it is just 2 hours of your time every day. Let's assume you want to use this as a side hustle, or let's assume you want to use this as a second job without quitting your current job or business. You can be doing this maybe at home, you can be doing this every weekend, you can be doing this at night, even if it's 1 hour or 2 hours of your time. You can do this at home and you can still make cool amount of money for yourself. Now without wasting time, because I want to make this video short, I'm going to go directly and give you the website, of course. Now if you go to the my comment section and my description section, you will see the link to this website. Okay, I will drop the link, and please remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video, because we'll always publish high quality videos, and of course we'll also be listing website that can form money for you for free to start up your side hustle. Now without wasting your time, the website is rave.com. Now rave.com currently have about 500,000 monthly visitors, okay, which means in 3 months they have about 1.5 million visitors. Now ask yourself, 500,000 people visit rave.com every month. Of course, people are there to seek for services, people are there to work, people are there to make money also. Now let me shock you one thing to understand about rave.com. No matter the country where you are, now ask yourself, which are the top countries that visit rave.com website. Of course, their top traffic, the countries that are visiting this rave.com, number one, I'll tell you, is US. US have about 49.08% of the total visitors that visit rave.com. Wow, imagine United States of America. So that tells you that American citizens are also seeking for these services, and a lot of them are also working on this website, rave.com. Now, number 2 country that visit this site mostly is UK with about 6.98%. Yes, UK visit this website also. That is the second country in the world that visit rave.com. That tells you that this site, this company, they are really paying. Of course, people are also seeking for their services. And the number 3 is South Africa with about 4.97. Yes, South Africa, they're the third country that rave.com normally get huge traffic, okay. And number 4 is Canada with about 4.61%. Yes, 4.61% traffic for this site comes from Canada. And then number 4 country that visit rave.com. And number 5 is India with about 3.71%. These are the top 5 countries that visit rave.com. Now if you take a look at these top 5 countries, you will see that this US, Canada, UK, these top countries, their citizens are also seeking for jobs or do some transcription job services online. And of course, people are also visiting this site because they want to transcribe their audio. Some are visiting the website because they want to be the one to transcribe this audio and make good money for themselves. So if you believe that you have all you need, just your phone or your laptop and an earpiece to listen to this audio, then transcribe it. It's very simple. And you can see the website rave.com. It is free of charge. You get paid directly with a PayPal account. Of course, you can also get paid through bank transfer. You can use Payoneer for payment services if you don't have a PayPal account. Now, for me, I think this video, please, as you can see, rave.com is one of the top countries and they have huge monthly traffic. And I will encourage you, if you're the type that can listen to audio record, listen to interviews, listen to different discussion, it could be meeting discussion, then please, you can definitely work on rave.com. All you need to go is just go there and sign up. Signing up is free of charge and you are good to go. And you are good to go, definitely you'll be typing. Now they need 99% accuracy for everything you are typing. Yes, because this is a 100% human transcription service they are offering. Okay, they also have the AI tools that can do that, but they charge less from people that need AI tools. But AI tools is about 90% accuracy. That's why people demand for humans being to be their transcriber. So please visit rave.com and you are good to go for free of charge. And please remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video. You can make good amount of money from this. Even though you're making $20 per day as a side hustle, in a month you'll be making up to $600. And if you're making $100 per day, definitely you will be making over $3,000 in 1 month. Wow. Well, please remember to subscribe. My name is Colenius and this is my over 15 years online offering services, training people and making money online. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.